Hindi na pwede lagi mo ba? Thank you. Thank you.
Larga ta.
Hindi na pay-pay. Susod.
Kahoy nga pay-pay. Kahoy nga pay-pay.
Something broken leg. Ensa ba? Sayaw eh.
Ma'am, ano naman?
Pinama. Ma'am.
Pinag ko. Diba?
Ate! Ate! Ate Sili! Ano itong lalay?
Lay, ayaw lay. Butan, bitaw ka lay. Ayaw lang dadaadag to lay.
Naa. Naa.
Naman di ay try na tag gigas mo tanong sa exchange rate.
Sang i-activate balik. So this is the MRT, I think. Ay di day opera house di ah.
Wala din na.
In that ano na si Ho Chi Minh.
What's the ano of here in
Bite. Tara, bunga. Hurry up, ma.
Kauna sina. Thank you. So we're going to Dan and Gan Anpo for
Lampo
for what?
for leisure.
To try their train.
Ate, Sili.
Basta dili ka sa kasi. Ay, na light color. Andiyan na.
Kanahoy.
Patali siya na.
Actually, si ate.
Siya na.
Đây là chuyến tàu đi bến xe Suối Tiên, ga tiếp theo là Ba Son.
You're saying
Rất vui lòng không sử dụng chỗ ngồi dành cho người khuyết tật, người cao tuổi và phụ nữ mang thai. Please prepare the seats.
Uy. Uy, ako naman din. Pero dagko this is their own brand, Tunva. Ay sa, wait lang, tanaw mo. Super aesthetic.
39.
Ikaw, unahan siya kag na souvenir sa Vietnam. Are you okay, ma'am? Nagi na, manikin. Wow, utad naman. Half M?
Half million.
Wow, much money.
Much money. Ito ang giingan na katong kuan
Nga.
about sa Gcash o kulutan.
Excuse me, ma'am. Mr. DIY. So this is their mango and this is their food with the rice on it, charot. This is garlic and some beef and fried rice. And this is sugar cane juice.
Tubo ba? Wala kayo nagtubo?
Uy, tuyo tayo lang po.
Sugar cane. Ano bang... Ano ito mo?
Toyota.
Người ra khỏi xe. Nếu mà gia đình nào mà mình có bé nhỏ, mình vui lòng ôm bé và giữ bé cẩn thận giúp em ạ. Giờ tương dưới xe thì sẽ có thùng rác. Nếu mình có mang đồ ăn hay thức uống hoặc là mình có rác cần bỏ thì mình có thể để tại tầng dưới ạ. Giờ cuối cùng là cảm ơn quý khách.
Pa-careful pa ka. Kain na baka makalimot na baka matagawit ka.
Pwede. Mahal iyo pa mang. Sisilix na to, Tay.
No, naglinya-linya, no?
Para sa kuan. Airplane. Para sa airplane.
For tourists, they can understand about traditional art in Vietnam and how it can recycle from the duck eggshell, seashells, mother of pearl, and hand painting together. We usually paint red colors because it's the national color in Vietnam, representing lucky and happiness. And about the item here, we usually make it from rosewood. That's strong and wood in Vietnam. That can be with different weather and even drop down is not broken. Can be with different weather, even hot or cold weather. And here we just only have painting like she do it. So even the same design, but there's always.
After the war, many Vietnamese individuals with disabilities turned to handicrafts as a way to rebuild their lives, preserve tradition, and earn a sustainable income.
To make some special design like this. And only use duck eggshell because that's stronger and thicker than chicken egg. Sometimes we will going to change the color into the brown like this and crashing into powder. In home and it's called a feng shui mini. Target design with a box of eggshells and a little bit seashells in the floor. Thicker, stronger, and got a beautiful color. When you keep it under the light, you see green one, they shining with the rainbow colors. If you only see white colors, maybe you buy the fake one because that's made from plastic. And after collect seashells, we have to put them under hot water with pressure on top. Realize the ladies right here. Before polishing, we have to cover many layers, lacquers on top, and dry the picture over there for a few days. They do like that to make sure details connect together and stay in the surface. Then we polish 3 times underwater, so really can stay around. There is some. Yes, okay. I'll show you for your fruit. So the final one we use color cream cup polish mixed with the hot water, lemon juice, and turtle wash. Then it's just always shining by skin hand until it clean for finish. So you see after all of that step, the surface is very soft and more shiny.
Mama horse ni mo. Yung horse mo.
Back in Vietnam Dong, and if you want to get something, you can pay with cash or credit card. It's no service charge here. We wrap it up very safe to travel and make sure.
Nanay, sino busy lang na? Ito ni.
Cheese on the burger, so now we make it bigger than before, smaller. You will go down by tourist size. Okay, this one, the shooting range, where you can try. I recommend you have to try. If you never ever try, get shooting by real gun.
Pay-paigahang kung anda, dili sila.
Always not just make long.
The tunnels began as simple, isolated tunnels built by hand during the war against French colonialists. Their initial purpose was to hide Vietnamese soldiers, store documents, and stockpile weapons. Over time, tunnels were linked together, creating a more extensive network.
Before there was the rooftop, before they live in the round bunker only. Alright, you can see this one, the map of British tunnel on the route. This one was easy level first floor. So the first floor was about 3, 4, 5, 6 the meter deep on the route. This one is second floor, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sometimes over meter deep on the route. And this one the last level.
The death trap.
Alright, this one, what do you call it? Trap. Bamboo traps, tiger traps, sand traps. And after that, they have to carry them together. They cannot go quickly. They go slowly. And the last one, they will be psychologically fluent in their mind is carrying. And they're thinking that Gucci turns so many. Air, oxygen. Air, air. Alright, you know this one line, it was like air, ventilation. Alright, we cut to become small one and we threw away. The dog they cannot guess what's smelling between American soldiers and Vietnamese soldiers because GI feed them a long time. They cannot guess what's smelling between Vietnamese soldiers and American soldiers because GI feed the dog. Last one, only one in Gucci tunnel. Okay, you have time to take a picture. Alright, the picture. They be stuck here. How did they move? Leg out. How did they take the leg out?
Cut the leg.
Yes, they cut it out to run inside. This one fold out. And sometimes they will stop the first one by their hands or by their gun, like that. Or like that. And second one still attack below here. That's the reason why we decide two parts. First one and second one. That's it. How? Recycle. Yeah. For example, I have the bomb. They do slowly, and after that they sleep. Oh, sorry, they keep walking. Alright, they cut palm open. This one. If they want to go down Gucci's tunnel, they have to make sure the door is a real one. I leave the mark here, and I tell them. So if they walk in around Gucci's tunnel, in around.
We lost.
Anh sao experience? Ate, anh sao experience ate?
Kung dugay pa tanan tumenta ko nga, di na pwede lagi mabalik. Di na pwede mabalik. Kaya kung balik ka, mag-jump. Uy, wako man, ngit sakit ang arne. Mawak, alam, ganyan na, mag-jump kung ganyan na. Yun ta ka.
Free man ata. Ay ka na.
Ano natin? Nasa ka ng...
Em đây đó.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
Dangog lang na kuan. Dangog lang floor. Dangog lang floor naggising at ang kuan. Katong baby.
Mula pa sila dan nga wire makakurinti man na.
Ano ba lover lagi siya ka mo?
Kita si Jang. Kanita li kita. Mandi mo po.
Cái chỗ bà hang á, nãy em ghé rồi nó bánh nguồn nổ để 120.000 á.
Ay, dapo ka buo. Ya 50 dan jis lagi.
Basta may tongkong ano sa kilid-kilid.
Ba lagi ya karni ng gigunitan.
Pwede rin. Pagkuhasa ka na nga nilangan eh. Pwede na mahuplo na. Hindi mo share ako. Hindi ko din ha. Mas papadi ay.